Relying on the link in your bio to get customers, to make sales, can really be a long way and a way too dead for you to make sales. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a faster way you can automate your reply, your responses, your comments, and even make sales for your business just using one simple tool. I'm sure you have seen a lot of people and a lot of creators saying, comment a particular word and I will send you the link directly into your DM. That is the tool that everybody is using. So today I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial how you can use ManyChat, how you can register for ManyChat for free, how you can use ManyChat for your businesses, how you can use it to automate responses on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. This has made life very easy. And not only can it make you to be able to have more sales and quickly respond to your customer, it can also increase your engagement rate you have on your post. So if you are not a business owner, if you are a content creator that is creating content on either of the social media, either on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, or on WhatsApp, and you want to create and have more engagement on all of your posts, don't worry, you are on the right channel. I am going to show you how you can definitely have more engagement by just telling people that comment so word, maybe comment gateway, and I will share you the link. And this can also make you to sell your digital product if you are a content creator selling digital products, or you just want to have engagement, or you want to have people coming into your DM to ask you about the products and the services that you sell. If you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel, because in here I teach you tutorials and the things that will make you make money and make your content valuable. ManyChat on your laptop, you type manychat.com and it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, so you can choose English. I'm choosing English because that is my language. You can sign in or you can sign up. Okay, click on sign up. You can sign up using your Instagram, your Facebook, your WhatsApp, your TikTok or Telegram, anyone you want to use. So I'm going to be selecting Instagram because I would like to show us, first of all, how we can automate our responses on Instagram for our customers or for anybody we want to send information to. So I will continue with Facebook and I will click continue. So once you have successfully connected your account to ManyChat, you can open the new chat by putting manychatapp.com, like you see on this place, app.manychat.com. Okay, this is how the interface is looking like. Okay, you can see that I use the free version. That's why you can see the free here. I do not pay for pro yet. This is the free version. You can add new accounts if you want. This is how the home is looking like. Let's close this tab. Okay, this is where you can also see your contacts. If you like want to import contacts, like those people that want to like send a particular response to a particular contact. Maybe you want to sell a property, you are a business owner, you have contact list of people you've already written. You can import it and create new contact if you want to create, or import the contacts that you already have somewhere on your laptop, and then you can continue. So activate 14 days free trial to unlock pro features. That means if I want to use pro, I can use free trial for only 14 days before I start paying for the pro. But I do not want to use pro, I want to use the free version, so I'm not going to activate the pro trial. Let's go to automation, which is the main reason why we are here, right? You can also even do live chats. If maybe you have live chats, you want people to be able to chat you live on your business channel, maybe on WhatsApp or on Instagram or on Facebook, you can also set it up here. And then this is settings. Maybe you want to change some particular settings. But let's go back to automation, which is the main reason why we are here. Okay, so my automation, you can search for different kind of automation here. You can add new folder. Maybe let's call the name of this one we want to create. Maybe let's say we want to create an automation that will tell people to comment great to get a link to download an offer. Okay, so let's call it great folder or anything, right? You can put anything. You can put anything you like on this. So, but I'm just going to create this as great folder. Okay, so create new automation. Automation are where you create chat automation in an easy and visual format. Try some automations we recommend based on your goal. You can delete an automation anytime if you don't like it, if you are not fine with it. Maybe you make a mistake or you are not fine with what you've created, you can delete it. But for the sake of this video, let's just create new automation. Okay, so it's recommending automations for us. You can see we have auto DM link for comments, which is the one I say we'll be doing. Maybe you want someone to comment something and then you send a DM directly to them, or generate lead with stories. Maybe on your Instagram story or on your Facebook story, you want people to comment a particular word. By there, then you want to gather leads. You can also automate conversation with AI. Maybe you are not available, you are not there to respond to your customer at that time. You can use AI to automate different kind of conversation. Let's say if somebody say, hi, how much is this dress? If you are a dressmaker, there's an AI that will tell them how much it is. They will help you to answer every kind of questions that they have. Also here, you can discover more templates to maybe respond to your customer, like use AI to answer all your frequently asked questions. So you must have feed this AI, what are your frequently asked questions? Maybe people will ask, where is your store location? How much is this? How many days is delivery date? You know, all of those things like that, you can put them here. And here also, we can also automate reply to comments in DM, like I have explained here. And here you can auto send link to DM. These are mostly used for people that are selling an offer, or you want to sell a link to a course, a product, a services. You can automatically just put it here and people will go directly into their DM and they will get the link. So for this one, grow your email list, you have to use the pro version. Remember, for this video, we are only using the free version. Run a giveaway. See, you can also run a giveaway and automate your response here for the people that would be winning the giveaway, but this has to be for a pro version. You can grow your YouTube as well, right? Get YouTube subscriber via IGDM. So let's say I have a YouTube channel just like my YouTube channel and I want more people from my Instagram to subscribe. I can use this and it's a free version. The list of the templates are endless. You see, there are a lot of templates that you can select that you can use to run your automation. But let's just go for this one, which is the easy one. I'll take it step by step. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, because we are about to start the main deal for this tutorial. Okay, so click on this one, which is automatic response. So see how it is showing. You have to pick a specific post, right? Remember, we have linked this account of ManyChat to our Meta business suite, which is the same thing as our Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, depending on which platform you want to use. If you want to use WhatsApp, you saw where I click on WhatsApp, you are going to click on WhatsApp. If you want to use Instagram, you click on Insta. If you want to use Facebook, you click on Facebook, right? Which post do you want to select? So I might already say, okay, maybe this post 1, post 2, post 3, or show all, right? You might want to show all so that you can be sure of which post you want to see. These are all my posts on Instagram, mind you. So let's say I want to go with this post, right? I'll just click on the post. You see the post is here. I've clicked on the post. And you see here, it say any post or reel, you have to be on pro. Any post or reel, next post or reel, that means you can do 2 posts at the same time. But for this one, I'm just selecting the free version, which is this one, and then I'll click on next. Okay, and this comment as, see, if a specific word is being commented, they are going to get the link directly in their bio. So let's say the word we want to say is great. So let's say great. Okay, This is the word. Or you can add more than one word. You see, they say use comma to separate the words. We can add more than one word. Let's say the person say hello great. You know, different people with different way they type things. Some people might even not spell the great very well, or some people will say so great. You know how people type different things on the comment section, right? Once you are fine with the word, I've put great here, I have put hello great, I have put so great, depending on whatsoever the person wants to comment. My keyword is comment great, and I will send you the link into your bio. So you click on next. So easy, right? Just follow me. You see, they will get the comments great. Once they put hello great or great, which is the keyword, what is the thing that they would be getting? Okay, so you can edit this word. They've given you a template which says, hi dear, I am so happy you are here. Thank you so much for your interest. Click below and I will send you the link in just a second. Okay, so let's say, for example, you already have the link. Maybe for this grade, I want them to go into my website to order for something, or I want to send them to my storefront to buy my digital product or whatsoever product it is that I want them to get. So I'm just going to go to this place and copy a link, maybe YouTube. I'm just using this for example, right? A DM with the link. So let's put this link here. This is the link that they will get immediately. They send me the word great. This is the word. You can edit this word, but I think I am okay with this word, and this is the link. I just copied this link just for the sake of this tutorial. You can put your own link, maybe your own offer or whatsoever link you want to put, you can put it, and then you can put the link here, okay, and put any word like open or anything you feel comfortable with, and click next. So we have set up all our link and we are good to go. Okay, so other things to automate: reply under the post so people feel seen and special. You know, you can reply immediately, maybe tell somebody something, anything to make them feel special. Follow up to re-engage and build trust. This one is obviously for pro. If you want to use this, it will be very good for you if you want to really close big sales, or you want some kind of lead. So let's say reply under this post to make people feel special. This one is free. You can pick thanks, please check your DM. I'm sure you've been seeing people using these things a lot. Message sent, check it out. Nice, check your DM. So I'll just click on thanks, check your DM, and that is it. Once you put thanks, check your DM, this is how it's going to be looking. A username will click great. You will say thanks, check your DM, and once they go to their DM, the link that we have set up here is the link they are going to see. The write-up we have here that say, hi dear, I'm so happy you are here. Thanks so much for your interest. Click below to see the link. That is what they are going to see. If you are okay with this, if you are not okay, you can quickly just edit the words or edit the link or edit your offer or any other thing that you are putting, or the word you want them to comment. Make sure that that word is being featured in your content or in your video that you have uploaded on Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp. Once you are done with this, you click go live. You see, once you click go live, it will automatically go live. You see, amazing work. Your first automation is live. Just click on done. And that's it, guys. It's as easy as that. Very easy to create, very easy to automate. I'm sure if you try this step by step, you are going to be having the definite sales that you need for your business. And don't worry, people will begin to come to you when they get automatic response. They will feel comfortable. Even if you are not online, they can get the responses that they need. They can be able to ask their questions. And if you want to sell your product or your services, or you're a content creator, just use this automation the way I've taught you, and you would be surprised how you are going to get a lot of response. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. Support me by dropping a comment if you love this. If there's any video you would like me to make or any tutorial tutorial you would like to learn about your content creation, your business as a business owner, kindly drop it in the comment section, because I'm here for you to tutor you, to teach you. On this channel, I'll be dropping things that will elevate your business, make you make more money, sharpen your skills, and make the best time of your time for you. So my name is Temi, and this is Marketing with Temi. See you on the next one. Bye.